Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm really glad you're here because today we're going to be building these really awesome lanterns. This is a great project if you're just getting started in woodworking or you want to build something for your friends or for the holiday seasons. This is the project for you. It's a great project, so if you want to learn how to make it, stick around. We're about to get started. Alright, so for this project, we're going to be making it out of 1x3s. Now, I have a whole bunch of scrap 1x3s here in my garage, and this is actually premium select pine that has no knots in it. But if you want the knotty look, you can actually go purchase that. It's very cheap and affordable, or you can use scraps like I'm doing. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pre-cut everything, and if you want to follow along, you can take a look at the plans. I'll provide a link to them right here in the video and also in the description below. Now, I'm going to cut everything, get it all ready, and then we're going to assemble it. Now, we can do several methods on how to assemble, so be sure to watch that section because it's really important. All right, well, let me go cut all this and we'll start assembling. Alright, everything is cut and now it's time to assemble this lantern. Now this is one of 3 lanterns that I'm going to be making, and it's actually the smallest lantern. Now if you want to size up the plans, you can totally do that. I'll put all that information on the 3 different sizes and the cut lists for that in the links. If that's something you're interested in doing, again, don't forget the plans are right here for you if you want to download them, and also in the description. So the way we're going to attach this lantern, or attach all the pieces together to make the lantern, is I'm going to be using brad nails. Now if you don't have a brad nailer, that's totally okay. You can simply use some screws or even use some nails if that's something you want to do. Alright, so let's show you how to assemble this, because there is a specific step and way to do it that I think is the easiest way. So let's get started and do that. Alright, so one thing to note about this project is you can stain these, you can paint them, you can pretty much do whatever you want with the finish. Well, I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, please consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any comments or questions about this build, you know what to do. Post them below. I'm here to help you guys out. Till next time, I'll see you later.